Hello. So are you trying to import HuggingFaceLLM from a llama-index.llms but getting the import error cannot import name HuggingFaceLLM from llama-index.llms? Well, let's fix this under 60 seconds and import the HuggingFaceLLM. Now this error happens because HuggingFace now exists separately inside the LLMs module. So to do this, first let's install the pip install llama-index LLMs HuggingFace. And once that will be installed, we will just import Hugging Face LLM from a different place. So now this again, we'll have to type in Hugging Face here where the module now exists. And once this is installed, we'll run this as well. So that is installed and now we'll try to import. And as you can see, we have imported Hugging Face LLM easily from the llama-index LLM's Hugging Face module where it now exists. Now that's it, error fixed in seconds. Now, if you're facing other such similar issues, check out our channel for more quick fixes and solutions. And subscribe to stay ahead. Control AI before it controls us. Thank you.